Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to disable auto video quality 480p on YouTube and set HD as default. So let's get started. So if you want to set your video quality as HD on YouTube, so to do that what you have to do is simply open up your YouTube application. After opening up your YouTube application, now what you can do is just simply select a video. So for example, I'll just select this video. After selecting a video, now what you can do is just simply tap on the gear icon which is on the top right. After tapping on the gear icon, now what you have to do is just tap on this first option which is quality. After tapping on quality, now you have to tap on the bottom option which is settings video quality preferences. So that is highlighted in blue color. You can find it in your bottom of the screen. Just tap on it. And after tapping on it, now you'll come up to your video quality preferences section. So from here what you have to do is just simply change some options. So the first option is video quality on mobile network. So now if it's on auto, what you can do is just simply change it to high picture quality. So just change it to high picture quality, and also change your video quality on Wi-Fi as high picture quality. And after changing this option, you should disable your auto video quality from 480p and set it at HD as default on YouTube. So that's it guys, this is how to disable auto video quality 480p on YouTube and set HD as default. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.